Here is an instructional video for your HD mirror cam.
Your HD mirror cam comes with a car adapter, soft bands to hold your mirror cam, adhesive clips, card reader, and instructional manual. Insert your micro SD card on the top of your HD mirror cam. To install your HD mirror cam, place your mirror cam over your existing rearview mirror. Attach your soft bands around the mirror to hold it in place. Peel the backs of the adhesive clips and place them along the edge of the windshield. Next, plug the car adapter to the top of your HD mirror cam and run the wire along the clips and snap clips to secure. Plug in the car adapter to the car's cigarette 12-volt receptacle. Next, start key ignition for mirror cam auto recording. Your HD mirror cam swivels 350 degrees for outside and inside recording. This is your power button to turn on your HD mirror cam. It also functions as your daytime, nighttime mode. This is your menu settings button. Use the up and down button to scroll through the menu settings. Mode button is for recording options. Up button also functions to take a picture. Down button. Last is the OK select button.
Record mode, picture mode, audio mode, and playback to review your videos.
Insert your micro SD card into the card reader and into a computer USB port.